Annie Y. Pineda, and with me are my group mates.
Clarice Dwayne Carina.
Jasmine Layson.
I'm Sofia Sanondagit.
My name is Joshua Territorio. From the class Math, and in this video we'll be tackling the concept of math based on Ian Stewart's book.
For that, let us first ask you the famous question. What comes to your mind when you hear the word mathematics?
Probably your mind would automatically flash you the word numbers or any word relating to it, which is actually acceptable because numbers are the heart of mathematics. If it were up to our friend Ian, but if you were to generalize mathematics using that word, he would totally disagree because that is the only tip of an iceberg, and there are so much more beyond to discover.
Counting began long before the numbers or symbols which we are currently using was discovered. Indeed, if you own 3 highlighters and you lost one, you won't need the help of symbols in order to determine that you've lost something. This is one logical proof that numbers are the only things that makes up math.
Ways of counting without actually utilizing the symbols 1, 2, 3. You can keep track of your count by using wood or scratching in a piece of paper, which we all commonly do as a child, which is why we are also taught arithmetic.
Due to the use of counting, symbols were invented. This is where the 5 mathematical systems joins the conversation. Those are the natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, real numbers, and complex numbers, which are usually taught in school for a better use and understanding of math.
For symbols, there follows this concept that helps in creating data structures. First, we have operations, which are common and widely used. These are addition and subtraction, and our nightmare as a child, multiplication and division. These are usually applied to 2 or more mathematical concepts in order to get the third object.
Then there comes transformation. It is the rule of transforming the first object into the second object.
Then we have calculations and processes which we all hate doing, especially when calculus and algebra is involved.
First, Ian Stewart admits that the number is the heart of math. However, it is so much more than that. He emphasizes the invention of the very famous whole numbers.
Fraction, which is not countable but can be very useful for an equal distribution, followed by the discovery of zero during or between 400 to 1200 AD to represent the idea nothing.
Negative numbers, which is also widely used for examples to determine that the object is moving backwards, a colder temperature which is beyond the freezing point, and many other scenarios.
Square root of a number, rational numbers, and real numbers. Indeed, there are so much more complicated, yet interesting things to discover in math.
We hope that this video has somehow changed your perspective of math, like how it changed ours. For a further understanding, you may read the entire book of Ian Stewart's Nature's Numbers.
I guess that wraps up our discussion.
Till our next math operation.
Always focus on the beauty of math.
Aspire to inspire.
Goodbye and see you on the next flight.